Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. For today's video, we are going to be organizing my pantry right behind me. If you guys haven't seen our home tour, I will link it here in the cards as well as down below for you guys. That way you guys can kind of see what it looks like empty. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicolette. I upload weekly. I would love for you to hit that subscribe button before you leave and give the video a thumbs up if you like what you see here on my channel. That really helps my channel out, so please don't forget to like and subscribe. I did get some organizational things from Amazon, so I thought I would just film myself trying to organize my pantry. It's not big. It's not big at all. I mainly plan on using this just as my pantry. Even though we do have a ton of storage space in here, I plan on just using these two for food only, and then up there we keep extras like the bulkier items that we get from like Costco and stuff like that. So yeah, first things first, we're gonna take everything out, wipe it down, clean it in there, and then we are going to insert everything. So let's go. Alright guys, so before we get started, I wanted to show you guys what I actually have. So I have these clear storage bins. These were actually made for the refrigerator, but I got them because I thought they're small enough to hold the fruit snacks. We don't have like big items, we have really small items. So I thought these would be perfect. I got a spice rack. I'm so excited about that. And then I just got these containers for cereal. Sorry guys, I know the lighting sucks. My ring light is right there. But so now I'm going to empty all of this out, put them in the containers, put them in, and then we will move on to these spice cabinets. So let's go. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I think it looks good. I think the thing I'm going to be getting next is like a little tiered shelf here. That way, so I'll just put it in and then have like one or two of these on the top and then two on the bottom. I think this works perfectly. I didn't put this in this container because this is my cereal and I don't eat cereal that often. Like when that box is done, I probably won't grab another cereal box until like a month or two out, honestly. I don't eat cereal that much, but we do eat rice all the time. So that's why I decided to put that in there. I think these look great. I'm happy I only went with 3 though because Cyrus and I don't really eat cereal that much. And I didn't write the names on them because the girls are always changing what cereal they want. So I just put cereal on there, obviously rice. I didn't know that it came with these labels, which is really cute. Love that. So I will link everything down below for you guys. I think these are absolutely perfect. I'm so happy I went with the smaller ones because again, we don't have big items. So all of this fit. This one is kind of miscellaneous. I actually think I'm gonna switch these two. Oh yeah, that's better. So with our noodles, with our Siamine, I think I'm going to get the bigger containers. I'm happy I went with these smaller ones just to see how they'll fit, because as you can see, I don't have a big pantry. I think I'm gonna get the bigger ones and put that down there. Again, our bulkier items that we keep from Costco, not only do I keep up in that big one over there, but I keep down there. Those are extras. But for now, they're just gonna stick in here. That box kind of throws everything off, but when I get the tiered shelf, I think everything will look better. So that's what it's looking like so far up here. And then on the last shelf, I like to have my kids' snacks accessible for them. So these are all their fruit snacks. Seriously, you guys, it fits so perfect. It looks so good. I love that. They're animal crackers, obviously. And then this one literally is just miscellaneous, more saimeen or top ramen, I guess. They're cookies, and then that's my trail mix back there. And then down here, I actually just have pretzels and Oreos and our bread. I am gonna get a jar for our cookies though, the whole Khloe Kardashian thing. I think that just looks so good. So I'm gonna get a jar for those. But yeah, I don't know. These are like pretty big size spaces, so I think I'm just gonna get the bigger containers and place maybe 1 or 2 down here. I'm not sure, but so far I think it looks great. I think it looks so good. I still have 3 left, so I actually might use these in my refrigerator. I don't know, I'll keep you guys updated. But now we're gonna move on into the spice rack. I got this one from Amazon. Again, everything will be linked down below for you guys. So I'm gonna do what I did over there, empty everything out, and then we're gonna put the spikes, I was gonna say put the spices on. So let's go. This is actually pretty cool. You can either have it short like this, or you can expand it to a long one. That's pretty neat, like that. Oh yeah, baby. That is what I am talking about. I'm gonna push that back. That's cute. I think that's gonna fit perfectly. All right, so I don't exactly know how sorry, my kids are playing, but I don't exactly know how I'm going to organize them just yet. I'm thinking I want to put the ones that I mainly use up front, and then like the ones that I don't entirely reach for in the back. I don't know, we'll see. This guy is pretty big, so I'm putting him back there. And then I'll put my Mrs. Dash down here. We'll put homeboy right here because my husband reaches for him quite often. Okay, cute. Okay, so that's what that looks like. I obviously have to go get more spices, but this is just what I have for now. I like to keep the brands together, obviously, as you can see. So I just have to grab a few more Mrs. Dash. I really like this brand. Everything up here I'm keeping as is. I do have to get little jars for my sugar and my flour, so that's just staying as is. I lied. I'm going to be getting a Lazy Susan for everything up here. Again, I'm getting jars for my sugar and my flour. But yeah, a Lazy Susan for sure is going up there. I love the way that looks. I just think that looks great. That looks so perfect. All right, guys, and that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I think everything turned out so great, especially for the small pantry that I have. If you guys like these types of videos, then please give me a thumbs up. That way I know to create more content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.